So over here you can see that I have this footers, and if I were to press the play button, there is audio to it. And you can go around and change around the audio volume by using this slider right here for preview. So the audio is much more lower when you bring this down. Apart from that, if you want to preview full screen, then you can go around and press the play full screen button right here. And that is what you have. You can go around and see the volume over here as well. So you can go around over here and you can see that this is the slider right here, just like this. And then you can go around and slide out the video. You can close it, and apart from that, you can of course change around the quality as well and change the magnification of the video level as well. So that is what you have. Let me just go around, change out the quality to highest right here. And you can see that the magnification level is higher as well. You can go around for 200% or you can go for 10% right here as well, and change around the magnification level right here. And use these scroll bars right here to see the different parts of the video. Apart from that, you can go around and fit it out, and this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can go around and work around with preview volume and then full screen option along with magnification option inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe